What's up my friends, and welcome back to your daily dose of Fortnite here in the Happy Power channel. In today's video I have for you guys a brand new leaked / news video that's going to showcase for you guys 3 items that got removed from the game / recycled in the Fortnite up and coming items. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. Alright guys, so welcome back. Now thanks to SiloX over on Twitter, we actually have for you guys some proof as well as some brand new items that will no longer be coming to Fortnite Battle Royale, unfortunately. Now the weird thing is these actually have to revolve around the brand new DURR skins and stuff like that, which is actually very strange. They actually got recycled, save in the fact that you would think they released these with the brand new DURR skin and the DURR worker coming next week. So SiloX just tweeted out this a few days ago. I may have some proof that these items previously leaked will not be coming into the game. Let me start with why I believe these are in the game files. I believe they were originally in the game, then later on were turned into apples, mushrooms, and other ground consumables. Now if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, it's actually the DURR drink, and the DURR fries, but let's keep on reading on. Now here is the proof. They also have been in the game files for a long time and haven't appeared in the game. Furthermore, in all ground consumables, apples, mushrooms, the new hurt and heal, and etc., they all reference those 3 folders for assets, which I believe proves that these were actually turned into brand new ground consumables. Lastly, all ground consumables files reference this in the background video. Game Athena items consumables DURR DURR pickup, which to me proves they were in fact recycled and replaced with other single items. So it looks like the DURR drink, the DURR burger itself, and of course the DURR fries pretty much got replaced with the mushrooms, the apples, and the brand new hurt and heal that will actually make an appearance in the game of Fortnite. And basically what that's actually going to be is simply this. Upon actually eating the brand new hurt and heal, it actually will either heal you guys or of course harm you guys. So it's pretty much a 50-50 type of thing. It's pretty much like a poisonous slurp drink, which is actually pretty unique. Now that's all I have for you guys for this particular video. Guys, I actually made an appearance on Landon's YouTube channel once again, so make sure you guys check out his YouTube channel down below, and make sure you guys tell him Happy sent you guys, and of course watch his brand new video that actually will feature tonight of me showcasing some brand new leaked skins and so much more. As always, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay happy, my friends.